I'm feeling it.
Feel the grass when you tap them away. Feel the legs pushing up on the
I'm feeling
sand.
it.
Feel the high that you get from the line. If you feel it, raise your hell in the sky.
You can come and bring your new game. I'm Jordan versus the Jazz, my nigga, I brung the flu game. Still a kick the shit out of niggas just like Luke Kang. Still a pull bitches bounce in the dark like Bruce Wayne. Been shitting on y'all, now I got new stains. I'm past the old haters, getting ready for the new lames. Things change, but me, I'm still fucking rhyming, fool. Laughing all the way to the bank, niggas is comical. I'm bumping like water for chocolate, you know common's cool. You on the internet looking for the new Rihanna news. And keep thinking that I'ma lose, I'm so phenomenal. I'm in gladiator school, you got vagina rules. Scared to get shit-faced because your girl hates it. You can't hang with me, I'll have you in the Earl Matrix. Sinner getting twisted in the joint. If y'all niggas ain't talking about top shelf, what's the point?
Feel the grass when you tap them away. Feel the legs pushing up on the sand. Feel the high that you get from the line. If you feel it, raise your
What
hell in
y'all
the
ain't
sky.
heard, that nigga Kate's hot. The Moscato I had me taking like 8 shots. You niggas funny like red, I'm a gray fox. Way slyer, way slicker, you a fake watch. You ain't shining, I'm chilling with my peeps reclining. I'm feeling it, but a nigga still complete assignments. Mission after mission, a nigga be still flipping. Track after track, I give these beats an ill whipping. I'm still sipping.
I'm feeling it.
And I don't need for you to tell me. I keep my eyes on these niggas cause they cobras like Shelby. I took 100 losses, now I need 100 wins. I gotta stay on point cause I ain't got 100 friends. Back, and these 5 kids look up to me. My worst nightmares, they'll grow up and not fuck with me. Nah, on that note, let's take another swig. And shout out to the niggas tryna do it big.
I'm feeling it.
Feel the grass